Hello guys, this is Lulu from Tomtop. We are willing to introduce you is the Super Mini Helicopter. As you can see, the helicopter is very small. You can also put it on your palm. You can see the size, about 10 centimeters. Yeah. And also it is controlled by the iPhone, iPad, and the iPod. You can get connected with the transmitter. But when it's run out of power, you can charge it with the USB cable. This is to charge the transmitter, and also this interface is used to charge the helicopter. When you need to fly the helicopter, you can turn on the power switch of the helicopter now. This is very small power switch. You can just plug it on, and the LED light is on. Then you can see whether it works or not. Now we are showing you how to operate it. At first, you have to download app from the app store. It is named the RC Copter. Now we have downloaded it. Just turn it on and to enter into the interface. And also you need to plug into the transmitter so that it will get connected with the helicopter. And then we'll show you how to get it started.